Hello guys, this is car lover people. The new car coming, C300 Mercedes. The Burj Khalifa car auction Dubai and Sajja. This is price list. Model 2028. Starting price 48,500. Check the condition. Look best car. Check the front set. No airbags. Okay. All airbags okay. No accident. This check the back side seat. Best condition available. Check the front side. Look the front side. Good condition. The Mercedes C300 and rim. Check the engine condition. Good condition engine. The Burj Khalifa car auction Dubai and Sajja. See you guys the next video coming. Please my channel car care subscribe.